Let's dive into the future of artificial intelligence and explore the fascinating world of intelligent agents. These autonomous systems are designed to perceive their environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve specific goals. In this talk, we'll uncover the key characteristics that define intelligent agents and how they are shaping our world. Join me as we explore the possibilities and implications of this rapidly evolving technology. Part 1. The basics of intelligent agents. What exactly is an intelligent agent? It's a software entity that can reason, learn, and act autonomously. Think of it as a computer program with a mind of its own, capable of making decisions based on the information it gathers. These agents can be as simple as a chatbot or as complex as a self-driving car. They are designed to interact with their environment and achieve specific goals, such as finding the best route or providing customer service. Part 2. Key characteristics of intelligent agents. So, what makes an agent intelligent? One key characteristic is their ability to perceive their environment. They can use sensors to gather information about their surroundings, such as cameras, microphones, or GPS. Another important characteristic is their ability to learn and adapt. Intelligent agents can improve their performance over time by learning from experience and adjusting their behavior accordingly. Part 3. Applications of intelligent agents. The applications of intelligent agents are vast and varied. In healthcare, they can assist doctors with diagnoses and treatment plans. In finance, they can analyze market trends and make investment decisions. And in our homes, they can control smart devices and provide personalized recommendations. Part 4. Challenges and future directions. While intelligent agents offer many benefits, they also present challenges. One concern is the potential for bias in AI systems. Another challenge is ensuring the security and privacy of the data that these systems process. Despite these challenges, the future of intelligent agents is bright. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and capable agents that will revolutionize the way we live and work. Conclusion. In conclusion, intelligent agents are a powerful and versatile technology that is rapidly transforming our world. By understanding the key characteristics of these agents, we can better appreciate their potential and the challenges they pose. As we move forward, it is essential to develop AI systems that are ethical, safe, and beneficial to society. The future of artificial intelligence is bright, and I am excited to see what comes next.